Assalamu alaikum. Today I say make I use pidgin finish this steak kebab and local bread popularly known as Gurasa. As una dey say, una know say this thing go sweet. See as e dey enter eye. Oya na. I marinated my meat with black pepper, salt, soy sauce, seasoning cube, oil, mayonnaise, any seasoning of your choice, ginger, garlic, onion, any seasoning of your choice, so you know say if you use them, it go enter head. And don't forget to add your chili pepper, that's dry pepper. When I see how I arrange them, I carry sticks, chook am, pop am inside oven. For the bread, that's the gurasa. I bring my flour, yeast, sugar, salt, mix everything with water, come cover am until e rise. After e don rise, I come add small potassium water, mix am, come carry my baking tray, do any shape of your choice. Una see my own ba, then you go pop am inside oven too, make you do. Una see how e take do, see as the thing dey enter eye. Una appreciate una girl na kitchen majesty. As una dey see this thing, e dey hot, but na like so I cut am, come add my groundnut cake, that's kuli, add oil, add cabbage, any mede wey you know say if you use am, the thing go enter head. Appreciate your girl now. See. Thank you.